Craving an escape where turquoise waters whisper promises of Aegean bliss, sun-kissed cliffs plunge into endless blue, and olive groves murmur tales of ancient gods? Then set your sights on Zakynthos, Greece, an island where natural beauty dances with historical whispers, promising an unforgettable experience for every soul. Dive into the crystal-clear waters of Navagio Beach, a postcard-perfect cove cradling a shipwrecked vessel. Bathe in the warm sun on the golden sand, swim alongside curious fish, and feel the spray of the turquoise waves crashing against the dramatic cliffs. Every pebble whispers a story. For the adventure seekers, the Keri Caves beckon with hidden coves and shimmering underwater worlds. Kayak through dramatic rock formations, snorkel alongside playful fish in sun-dappled depths, and discover secret beaches accessible only by the sea. Every splash whispers excitement. Venture beyond the coast and explore the charming village of Valimes, where time seems to stand still. Wander through narrow streets lined with whitewashed houses adorned with bougainvillea, sip fragrant Greek coffee in a taverna, and lose yourself in the warm embrace of island life. Every cobblestone whispers tradition. Feel the adrenaline pump at Shipwreck Beach, where paragliders paint colorful streaks against the azure sky. Soar high above the iconic shipwreck, witness breathtaking panoramic views of the rugged coastline, and let the wind whisper freedom in your ears. Every gust whispers exhilaration. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the Ionian Sea in fiery hues, head to Agulhas Viewpoint for a magical sunset escape. Witness the island bathed in golden light, the shipwreck silhouetted against the flaming sky, and capture the moment in a photograph that will forever hold the Zakynthos sunset. Every hue whispers enchantment. Indulge in a seafood feast at one of Zakynthos' renowned tavernas, savoring the bounty of the Aegean Sea. Choose from freshly caught octopus grilled to perfection, sip on a glass of local wine, and lose yourself in the warm ambiance of beachfront dining. Every bite whispers the sea. For a taste of Zakynthos' vibrant nightlife, explore the lively bars and clubs in Laganas or the laid-back tavernas in Alikes. Sip on cocktails under starlit skies, dance to the rhythm of Greek music spilling from open doors, and mingle with friendly locals sharing stories of their island paradise. Every night promises a new adventure. As twilight whispers its lullaby, find a secluded spot on the beach and gaze at the star-studded tapestry above. Let the twinkling constellations transport you to another world, a world where time melts away, and you're left with the gentle whisper of the waves and the sweet memory of Zakynthos. From turquoise coves to hidden caves, from sun-kissed adventures to breathtaking sunsets, Zakynthos offers an unforgettable experience for every soul. Whether you seek a taste of paradise, a dose of adventure, or a whisper of ancient echoes, this Aegean gem promises to weave its magic around you, leaving you with a heart full of memories and a yearning to return. So pack your swimsuit, your sense of wonder, and your open heart. Zakynthos awaits, ready to whisper its stories and paint your own Greek island escapade.